Hey everyone, Wade Vander here with DCTG Consulting, Title Sales Coaching, and I want to tell you a story of something I saw on social media. Another title sales rep made a poster with some phrases, and she's like, this is something that title reps say. And the phrases were like, sure, can I bring snacks to your broker open? Lunch? I promise I'm not stalking you. And did you ratify your contract? Guys, this is something you should not say. And look, language matters. How you say things, how you approach things, what you do all matters, okay? Successful people in title sales up their game with elevated language, okay? They're not being desperate, okay? Also, there's way more high value phrases, language that you can bring to the table to perceive and create this connection, right, with your client, that you are an elevated, smart person and equal business partner that they should be working with, right? So instead of, hey, can I bring snacks to your broker open? Why don't you say something like, hey, I see that you have a broker open coming up, happy to sponsor, but I know you want to get more traffic to it. I know you want to get some more people through the door. So would it make sense, right? It's a good phrase. Would it make sense for me to blast out the flyer to all of my realtor database to attract? But also, how about this? How about I pull the nearest 50 houses around your listing and I remove people that maybe that they bought in the last 18 months. And I notify them that not only are you having a broker's open, but maybe you have an open house on Saturday and that they should come. Would it make sense for me to pull that information and get you their contact information so that you could potentially meet people who might want to sell their house in the next 3 to 6 months? Would that make sense for you? Different, and way more valuable, because the listing agent, what do they want? More listings. They want more clients. They want more opportunities. And if you can help them do that, look, anyone can bring snacks. And snacks doesn't make you a successful, valuable title rep, okay? It means you're just working for them and you're kind of doing whatever. Like, helping them get to a point where they can get in front of more sellers that creates more business opportunities is exactly what they want. Second one, lunch, like it's like lunch. First off, successful, busy people, they don't need you to take them to lunch. Do I ever go to lunch with clients? Of course. Does it happen with you? Yes. But my point is that that's not a phrase that is high value, high dollar. If I'm taking someone to lunch, it's with intention. I have something I want to talk to them about, and it's usually about them, something that I want to do to help them, an issue that they might be having in their business that we're going to talk about, right? Maybe a client event they have coming up for Christmas time, or plans for spring market and what they want to do to start their farm. But just to go to lunch, look, lower producing realtors and lenders who don't have a lot going on, yeah, they'll go to lunch with you because guess what? They're happy to wallow in the misery with you, right? But high producers, they don't have a lot of time. And if you're going to take them to lunch, you better have something really good to bring them, okay? Otherwise, they don't have time for you to do that. And if you aren't bringing them something valuable, the next time you call them, guess what? They're not going to answer their phone, okay? Next, I promise I'm not stalking you. Okay, that's really weird. Don't ever say that, because we don't stalk people. We are pleasantly persistent, okay? So if you've ever taken my coaching program or spoken to me, I talk about being pleasantly persistent and being persistent in your follow-up, but valuable in the persistence, okay? What are you bringing to them today that's gonna make them want to work with you? Okay, but acting like you're stalking someone, or hey, I'm just all over them, is going to get them to potentially send you a deal, but it's going to be the walk away deal, right? The one deal that you get that they say, fine, here you go, here's your one deal, now leave me alone, right? It's like dating. Hey, fine, we'll go to lunch, but then don't ask me out again, right? Just to get you off their back, okay? So don't ever say that you're stalking someone or all over them. They don't like that. You wouldn't like that, okay? And then next, did you ratify? I get it. That doesn't sound too dangerous, right? But at the same time, it sounds desperate. It sounds desperate. And we do not want our prospects and clients to see us acting desperate, because we're not, and we shouldn't be. You shouldn't be, okay? What you could say instead is, hey, did the contract that we were discussing the other day finally come together? Is there anything that I can do on my end to help make it happen? What could I be doing to support you in this? Maybe there's something, maybe there's nothing. But you know what I didn't say? Hey, did you ratify? Did you get your contract accepted? Please, 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 I need your deal. I need it. Because you don't need it. right? If you have enough clients, you offer enough value, you provide the right support, you're prospecting on a regular basis, you're gonna have the amount of people that you need to support you and help you, and you're gonna meet your goals and all that sort of thing. But I will tell you this, if you don't know how to structure your language, how to close people, how to get them to give you a commitment, and there's multiple ways to do that. Have the right follow-up strategy. What are you saying? How are you handling situations? Oops, they closed somewhere else and you saw it on social media. Gotta call them. What do you say? Okay, we teach all of that at DCTG Consulting. I've coached well over 200 title reps. I've been doing the job 20 years. I've closed roughly $30 million in business, and I can help you scale and get to the next level. Or if you're new to the business, I can help you cut out the learning curve so that you don't find yourself 6 months into the job, hating life, wondering why you're not bringing in deals, okay? So look, if this is you and you want to up your game, you want to elevate your status, right? You want to be a high status sales rep versus low status, bringing stacks is low status, helping them get more listings is high status. I want to help and teach that to you. So I'm Vander Molen. I'm the owner and CEO of DCTG Consulting. If you're on my website, fill out the form below. You can always email me at wade@dctgconsulting.com. or call me at 480-203-6452. Happy to set up an exploratory Zoom to see if title sales coaching is right for you. We offer one-on-one coaching, small group. I can come to you for a one-day boot camp. Happy to support you. Language matters. Make it happen.